At first, connect your iPhone to the iMac by using this lighting cable. So I will just insert it inside this one here. Now a message might be displayed in your iPhone to allow the iPhone to trust the computer. So in that case, you have to click on trust this computer, and you might need to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Once it is done, click on this music icon in your iMac and you will see iPhone here on the side. Now in some cases you might not see the iPhone and you will be asked to download an update. So you have to download and install the update, and after that your iPhone will be detected by your iMac. Now you can click on this iPhone here and it will show your iPhone. Click on this sync settings and then you will be able to see your iOS version, everything here. So now your iPhone is connected to the iMac. Now next time if you don't want to use the lighting cable, what you do is simply select this option, show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi, and select apply. So once you do it, next time you don't need to connect the lighting cable to your iMac. Your iPhone will simply show in this iMac as long as it is using the same Wi-Fi connection.